guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Siesta Coleman here. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do a lot of cleaning, home decorating, and budgeting videos. I've been in and out of making videos, but now I am back. I've been busy and I finally settled down, and I am trying to do videos every Monday now to be updated and to be consistent on my channel. So if you guys like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. It will really help my channel out. So first we started cleaning my daughter's room. Both of them share rooms and it was a bit messy. Usually they like to clean their room, but they really need some help organizing. A lot of their toys that were upstairs make their way down into their room, so I was helping them organize a little bit more and clean their room. Usually when they clean, they just throw everything under their bed, and so this day I decided to tackle their room. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong. So as I was organizing their shelf on the wall, I noticed I have not put in a picture in the frame. Yes, it's been almost 2 years in this house and I have not picked out a picture, and hopefully I will do that soon. I just get so busy and I forget about this. Having taught 3 kids aged 2, 4, and 9, they always have me on my feet and I seem to forget things. I just need to write it down and really put it on my to-do list, and hopefully I'll tackle it soon. I will always be your guiding light. Take it away.
away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
As soon as I was done cleaning my daughter's room, I started the load of dryer. I had a load of dirty clothes running in the morning. I like doing this early when I get up, and first thing to do is do a load of laundry if there is any dirty clothes. It just makes my day go by faster and my chores easier. That way when I'm done with all my other chores, I can sit and watch TV and fold clothes. It is now the next day. I like to clean my kitchen at night because that's when everybody is done walking into the kitchen and making a lot more mess, and it makes sense for me to clean at night. So when I wake up in the morning, it is clean. Trust me guys, it doesn't always happen like this. Life gets busy, and at the end of the day I get so tired and overwhelmed, and I just say I'll do it the next day. But usually my goal is to have my kitchen clean before I go to bed.
You always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
As soon as I was finished clearing off the counters, I needed to jump right in and do dishes. It takes forever for me to do dishes because I rinse everything and then I wash it by hand and then I put them in the dishwasher. It's just a habit of me, and I know it's a waste of water, and that's a habit that I'm trying to get out of. I'm trying to just wash what needs to be washed, hand wash, that I don't like putting in the dishwasher. So hopefully I get better at this, but this is just my routine when I wash my dishes. My husband think I'm crazy, but I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to save more water and put any dishes that need to go in the dishwasher and anything that I need to hand wash to air dry and put away in the morning.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with
you. It is now another day and I am in my son's room. I am picking out his outfits that we will be taking on vacation. We needed a total of 6 outfits and some pajamas. We will be in Punta Cana for about 6 days, and I wanted to pick out his outfits and what he will be wearing throughout the whole time we're there. So I like to use the roll-up method for their outfits. Just pick out a pants and a shirt and their underwear and roll it up, and it is so much easier for my kids to pick out one outfit and without taking out everything and trying to see what shirt and what pants to wear for the day. It is so much easier when I use this system.
Same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with like I'm better off change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee.
So here I grabbed a notebook and I was writing down all the outfits that I have, making sure I have the right amount of clothes that I'm bringing, so that way we don't have to order laundry service while on vacation. So as I was packing for our vacation, I made sure that I wrote down everything that I've packed in the luggage.
Be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
It is now another day. We came back from vacation and this was the amount of laundry I did. I believe I did a total of 3 loads for all the clothes we brought on vacation. thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys do consider subscribing. And thank you all for watching to this point, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.